Class 11th Biology, the Living World, Part 3. Hierarchy of classification. Last time we studied about the classification based on nomenclature. Hierarchy of classification. First is the phylum. First is the kingdom, includes phyla with common character of kingdom. Animalia includes animals only. Phylum, classes with few common characters. Example, class Mammalia, Amphibia, reptile belong to phylum Chordata. Notochord. Notochord is the special character for Chordata. Class, a group of related orders. Example, order Primata and Carnivora belong to one class Mammalia. Mammalia consist of mammary gland. Order, closely related families that resemble in major characters. Example, families. Convolucia, Solensia belong to one order Pelimonials. Family, closely related genera. Example, genus Solanum, Petunia and Dhatura belong to one family Solensia. Genus, closely related species with certain resemblance. Example, Panthera is a genus which includes lion, Panthera leo, leopard, Panthera pardus, and tiger, Panthera tigris. Species, all members with similar characteristics and can interbreed and produce offsprings. Example, Magnifera indica. In this species is indica. So, kingdom is the largest phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom consists of 2 characters and species consists of 200 characters. Taxonomical aids, techniques, procedure and stored information that are useful in identification and classification of organisms. Taxonomic aids are herbarium. Herbarium, it includes storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheet. Sheets are arranged according to universally accepted classification system. They carry a label providing information about date and place of collection, English, local and botanical names, family, collector's name, etc. Used as ready reference in scientific studies. Second is the botanical garden, collection of various living plant species in form of garden for identification purpose. Used for identification plants, each plant is labeled with its botanical name and family. Museum. Next, taxonomical aids are museum, contains specimen preserved in preservative solution in containers or jars. Dried specimens of plants and animals, insect preserved in insect boxes after collecting, killing and pinning. Collections of animals, skeletons. Zoological parks, place where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care. It helps to learn about their food habits and behavior. Keys. This is a taxonomical aids where plants and animals are recognized based on contrasting characteristics known as couplet. Couplet it has two opposite statements, each called lead. Separate key for separate taxonomical categories needed, used to classify organism.